How to review filtered comments on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can review all the filtered comments on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. Once you do so, if you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. In order to do so, go ahead and tap on 3-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here under Account, tap on Privacy. Under Interactions, go on to Comments. Here at the Comment Management, you will see Review Filtered Comments. Tap Open it. And at this page, if you have any comments to be reviewed or filtered, it will be displayed at this page, and from here you can filter your comments, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.